Hey everyone, this is Fred from GSD Solutions, and in this video, we're gonna go over how to take a screenshot and record on your Mac. It's gonna be pretty simple to do, okay? So first, how do you take a screenshot? Go to your keyboard, press Command, Shift, and then the number 4. That's gonna open the snapping tool on your screen where you can select the portion of your screen that you wanna take the screenshot of. So just select it, and after you do that, what's going to happen that it's going to take this screenshot. And then by default, it's going to be saved either on your documents or desktop folder. Now, to record the video, click Command, Shift, and the number 5. Once you do that, on your screen, you're going to see that there's a taskbar at the bottom where you have some options. You can select where you're going to save it. You can select the timer before the video, and even the microphone device that you're going to record the audio from, okay? And you can see there are also a few options on the side. So you can record a selected portion, you can record the entire screen of your MacBook, and you can also take screenshots with this tool. So you can take a screenshot of a selected portion, just like we did. You can take a screenshot of a selected window, like an app or your browser. And finally, you can capture the entire screen. Okay, so once you have selected the option that you want, click record and it's going to start recording. And then to stop, you see that there's a black icon at the top. Click on that icon, and then it's going to stop the recording. It's going to be saved on the folder that you selected, in this case, the desktop. Let's see if it's working. I'm going to double click on it, hit play, and yeah, it's working just fine. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and feel free to reach out to GSD Solutions for any tech support that you need, okay? Talk to you soon.